Welcome back to the shop. It's your boy David. We are today back at it, finally putting the 2016 Silverado 1500 back together. It is very, very exciting news. So we had to actually swap out the fuse box. As you guys can see here, got a brand new one inserted, because right here, this one was just straight busted up, as you guys can see right there and right here. And we believe that was one of the causes for why one of the fuel relays wasn't acting on, which later we'll find out, as you guys can see in this video. Check out this fuel pump. Pretty sure it's supposed to be connected with that rod that's in there.
Probably why it's not running.
Oh yeah, not sending fuel for sure. That the actual fuel pump was busted after the accident. So we had the frame shift on this truck. If you guys seen the videos in the previous, that the whole frame shifted. We had to actually get it all swapped out. So the actual fuel pump, it busted in half. And so we all should put it back together, and it works perfect. Fired it up for the first time. Yeah. But yeah, now that she's fired up, we're gonna be going ahead and putting everything together. We already got the fenders painted. We're gonna start putting them on. Here we go, we got the both fenders out. We're gonna start inserting on the beast. It's gonna be exciting, guys. All right, guys, new addition just came to the parts. Look at these insane headlights. This is what $900 looks like, plus tax. These things are just insane. I love them, how they are in a nice crate like this, packaged really well, keep them nice and perfect. All the brackets are perfect. These are never been used. They're brand spanking new. It is awesome, really exciting. We've been waiting for these for the longest. It's really hard to find them. Nobody else sells them pretty much, except the dealer, which he wants about twice the price. Actually 3, just about. Well, yeah, these are really, really amazing. We were gonna think about putting maybe aftermarket, but then we're like, no way. The factory are just sweet. So this is gonna be the locking factory of the rest of the parts that we needed. We have everything else from bumper, hood. These were the last ones. This is super, super exciting. Let's go ahead and put this beast together. We just brought out the hood. She's gonna be going on today, hopefully. It's gonna be sweet. All right, guys, here you go. First fender is mounted. Mounting up the fuse box. It's perfect. Just trying to figure out where this one little tray goes, because we have all the trays for everything just about. We have this tray for the battery. We have this tray for the air box, and this just sits on the battery tray and the fender itself. So trying to figure that out. But yeah. All right, guys. So right here, 100% complete pretty much. We just have to go ahead and take this fuse box back off so we could put this bracket here. It holds it all together in the fender, that way it doesn't vibrate. But yeah, she's coming along. Let's slowly go ahead and move to the other side. Here we go, guys. This fender's on. It's looking sweet. Got the 2 headlights and the hood still left, but go ahead. Coming all together. Sweet. We got the main supporter out here. Yeah. Little guy's ready to drive the truck. But she's coming along really well. Wow. The whole front is all together. Literally just got to put the front bumper. We're gonna put the hood on probably first. Maybe the front bumper. Maybe a little bit easier. But the gaps are aligning really well. Here we got this gap right here. Look at that.
Hey, these
perfect.
Pictures.
Yeah, pictures. There we go. Just like that. It's looking good. But yeah, slowly putting her together. So yep. This is exciting. We got the main driver. Yeah, Sammy. Sammy's gonna be driving the truck. Yeah. Oh yeah. Got a couple little panels we gotta put up over here on the other side for the fuses. But everything else.
Cheese.
Jeez. He's so cute. Oh, all right, so, but yeah, she's coming along. Looking perfect. We got everything in here all done. Mainly we have to get one of these new clips for it to actuate to go up and down, but we got that all put back together. All the seals are back in. The back is 100% done. And then the rear is 100% as well. We just got a couple extra parts in here. So yeah, putting it all back together. I believe those are the old ones. We replaced them, got new ones. Same with the rotors and all the brakes. So let's go ahead and keep moving. All right, we're good. We're live. Lucia stands. There. There.
Alright, watch your side and watch your corner. Let's take a look what it's doing. It'd be nice if we just straight all over there.
We got a pretty good gap.
Pretty good job, but it doesn't want to go back. Just barely missing.
Well, let's go that way. So, once you put the back, you gotta adjust those. Adjust them.
Back to those springs. Is it, you didn't spray the brackets on it already, did you?
You kind of need to still go up a lot.
Go up or the back?
Alright guys, so we just came to a stump because we're coming to figure out that this core support in the front is actually off. So if we close the hood, as you guys can see, it doesn't want to close all the way. And under here, it's already, look at this gap here, so that's bad, but it's already hitting on these brackets here. So we are definitely thinking that it is incorrect. We had actually got it from a guy that was selling parts from one of these, but it looks like it doesn't match up at all. So we're gonna have to order a new one. Plus, when the headlight comes on here, fits on here perfect. Down below, just the same on the fender, but here it doesn't even get to its mounting bracket. So there's a big gap like this, that big. So it's gonna have to wait, but we still can go ahead and paint her. So I'll probably strap the hood down, drive her over to my place and get her painted at least. So we're gonna have to wait to put these on. But yeah, sad day, sad day. How do you feel, huh? That you have to order more parts and wait even longer?
Part of the gig, man.
That's right.
Part of it.
So yeah, that's kind of sucks, but hey, that's part of it, you know. You order things from somebody and they say it's gonna match up, but comes and, you know, the time comes to install and it doesn't match up at all. So it kind of blows, but it's all right. So as you guys saw a little bit earlier in the video, she did fire up. We did, since we had to swap out the actual fuse box, we're gonna go ahead and fire up once more and see if she is running, and hopefully there's no leaks or anything, just like it was. But yeah, You guys stay tuned. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Hit the little bell so you guys get post notifications, because this thing's gonna be soon getting painted, and this thing's gonna be looking immaculate. It's gonna be really, really nice. I cannot wait to drive this thing. It's gonna be pretty much our truck to haul some new projects to come. So this is definitely exciting. It's a big stepping stone to be able to start putting it all together. Of course, we're gonna have to wait for this core support for a little bit longer, but hey, that's all part of it. So let's go ahead and crank her up for you guys. Alright guys, this is a 2016 Silverado 1500. Check out this fuel pump. Pretty sure it's supposed to be connected with that rod that's in there. And those wires definitely shouldn't be laying in there. And guess what? This is probably why it's not telling you the real level of the gas. It's telling you got an empty gas tank when you got a half full one.
It's probably why it's not running.
Oh yeah, not sending fuel for sure. Alright guys, so mess with the fuel pump. Let's see if we got any gas on the gauge. It's gonna be a first start. Let's see. Well, we got a half gas tank, but it's still showing no gas. Maybe we gotta reset it.
No,
Oh, it's gone now. There we go. Let's go. First start. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's running, baby. No gas leaks. Yeah. Is it puffing smoke? Yeah, buddy. We are pumping some smoke, baby. Dude. Yeah. She's alive. Got any lights? No lights. Awesome. It's looking perfect. This is perfect. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, you want to hook up the headlight? I'll hold it. Go ahead. Turn on. I'm going to show you guys the headlights. Hopefully they turn on. It'll be dope. Oh yeah, man, that's bright. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap up for this video. We're going to go ahead and cover her up. Obviously got to put a order on that front panel assembly. Hopefully it'll come in really soon. But next video coming up, I'm going to be probably taking this thing, driving down to my house and actually installing probably the front bumper. I might paint it off of the car actually and just then put it back on. Make sure it all lines up. But this is the progress that we have so far. Next video will be coming up, be the paint job. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next ones. If you are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell for post notifications. Appreciate all your support. Till next time, peace.